Hi, I'm going to record a little video on how to use the Pixel Playground. So when it first comes up, these will take a moment and then they will appear, these little controls down here over the matrix that approximates the display that you'll see on the wearable. And if you would please use this white right here. So when you click on this drop down here, use this white, or any of these colors here: red, orange, yellow, green, light blue or cyan, blue, purple, and pink, and black. This is black. Okay, you may need to use some browns. There's a brown down here or something for stems on fruit or something like that. You can use those, but please shy away from these other lighter colors unless you absolutely need them, or you need more colors like here, because we want to standardize our colors off of certain colors. And then you click and you draw in here, okay, whatever fits in the pixels, and then you can choose different colors. And so forth. Okay, and then if you're going to erase, you don't like this, you want to change it or something, you can change it by going to black and then turning it off. The black is no color, of course. And or if you want to erase the whole thing, choose black and then do this command right here with the little brush, and that will fill everything with black. It also fills it with other colors, white, yellow, so forth. But black is kind of erased with no color. Okay, so that's how you select colors. So again, please use these colors here, that color white, that black, and maybe a brown. You don't really need these other colors unless it's absolutely necessary, and you should kind of take note of that. We want to standardize our colors. Now let's talk about exporting first. So let's draw something very quickly. Okay, I'll draw a yellow circle, or what appears to be a circle. This is about as close as we can get to a circle. Okay, and then I'll draw a little smiley face. Okay, and then I'm going to export that. So it's the save button here. You'll click on that and it'll bring up a little text box with a comma delimited range of colors with brackets around it. So you want to copy the whole thing, bracket to bracket, okay, and then whatever command you use to copy that, okay, on your keyboard or whatever, and then paste that. I'm gonna ignore this. It's basically like a text editor, and paste that into a text file. Okay, and so let's go back and let's make some changes here. Okay, and I'm going to export that as well. And put some space and lines between them. Here we've got two of them. That's the first smiley face all in yellow, and this is the smiley face with the red mouth and blue eyes. Okay, and also, if you would please label these to describe them for now. And that helps a lot when you save the file away as a text file and send it to us through email. We'll be able to look at these things and already know what they represent. So to give you an example now of the import, I'm going to take the original smiley face in yellow and I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to paste that into the import function, which is right here. It's like a clipboard. function. So I do that. You go in here and you paste it. Now that's the original smiley face with the yellow smile and yellow eyes. And there it changes. So anything you import into here will change the value and you'll lose the other one. So if you wanted the one with the red back, you would go here and copy this that you've saved away. So if you want to edit multiple ones and go through them, you come to do it in a serial fashion, one after another. And it's kind of crude right now, but the functionality will improve. So let's import the one with the red smiley face. Okay. All right. And so you can do much other things. I have different things I've already worked on. We've got someone working on an alphabet, so you don't need to work on that. We've done some emoji smiley faces and some other things. Let's see if I can do another quick one. All right, here's one. Let's erase this out, and let's go just to plain white. And let's see. Let's create something. Okay, this is the hard part. The creative part. That's the hard part, right? So let's try this. All right, here we go. We'll try to do a female symbol. Now, some of this stuff is not symmetrical, so okay, so that means I'm going to have to move everything over a little bit. All right. There we go. Done a female symbol. So you could then export that. And so forth. Okay? I think that's pretty self-explanatory. And then if you want the other ones back, you copy and paste them just as I did before. All right? So that's the basic functionality. You'll see also as you go over them, you get an X and Y coordinate system. But again, please stay within our recommended color range for now. Okay? Thank you very much for listening. If the interface changes, then I'll have to record another video or give you any updates. Okay, thank you.